These massive sand dunes remind of a desert, however, they are actually located in the northern European country of Lithuania. In Lithuania, many beaches are backed by sand dunes, a great place to sunbathe in, during the windy days. However, no of the Baltic dunes could even come close in massiveness to the Curonian Spit, the so-called Lithuanian Sahara. This is an entire 98-kilometer-long narrow peninsula that was originally all covered by such dunes. Sandwiched between the Baltic Sea and the Curonian Lagoon, the Curonian Spit has been an area of massive traveling dunes. Its few fishing villages used to be ephemeral. More than 10 of them are known to have been consumed by the moving dunes. Here we fly over a monument for the villages that now lay beneath the dunes of the Curonian Spit. In the 19th century, people finally won the battle against the nature. They have planted the entire Curonian Spit with pines, covering and stabilizing the dunes. Here you can see what is now the typical view of the Curonian Spit. It would be difficult to even guess that this lighthouse hill in Nida is also, originally, a sand dune. Luckily, in some places, such as the Naglay Reserve of Dead Dunes, where most of the video was filmed at, the original swatches of this unique Baltic desert remain. Being so unique in these latitudes, the dunes are carefully guarded. It is permitted to walk only on certain paths, but these paths are just loved by the tourists from all over Northern Europe and beyond. The contrast between the massive dunes, the Baltic Sea, the lagoon, and the pine forests, offers a unique landscape. A landscape that makes Curonian Spit one of the Lithuania's favorite spots for nature lovers, as well as resort lovers. The cute resort towns of the Curonian Spit such as Nida or Uodkadante, where the historic fishermen homes, 19th century villas, and modern organic architecture stand side by side, will have their own videos dedicated to them. Click the like button if you enjoy our tours by drone over Lithuania, and this will allow more people to see them.